Oh.
But you know that buy one get one functionality is not available in Fusion. You have to manually add that item and put the price as 0 there.
Okay.
As per the configuration, it's not possible to add for one item and the item automatically. As per my knowledge currently, maybe in the recent quarter it might have given, I don't know. As per my knowledge. Any new situations that you think of, new scenarios?
No, these are the only possible.
Okay. And all these pricing scenarios, we are going to manage through 5 configurations. These are the 5 setups. These are the 5 configurations. Please don't compare pricing model with the EBS. Please think like you are learning a new ERP for pricing.
Krishna, pricing module and costing module both are same or different?
Different, sir. Costing is nothing but our cost we enter there. And
Oh,
pricing is including in the profit, sir.
okay.
The cost is nothing but our cost to the company, that is. So on top of the costing, our cost to the company, we add some profit. That we create under pricing module. Clear?
Okay. Yeah, clear.
Now the first setup, as I mentioned, we differentiate or we classify our customers here, whether the customer is a distributor or whether the customer is a special customer or company employee. Okay. We're gonna classify the customers here. And based on the customer classification, we configure pricing segments and we configure the pricing strategy and price list. And here I have used totally 3 colors. For the first 2, I used green color, and for the last 2, I used yellow color. So I would like to consider this as a part 1 and this as a part 2, and this is the link with the part 1 and part 2. This is the link between the part 1 and part 2. Okay. I will tell you one scenario here. Before I get into application, first I will explain you what is the purpose of all those 5 configurations.
Hey, Krishna, can you create like a demand-based pricing for an item? If the demand is high, the price goes up.
That kind of dynamic way of handling the price based on the demand not available, I believe.
Okay.
It's not available in EBS also, I think so. I understand your question. Your question is based on the demand, demand increases, you want automatically the price should be increased.
Right.
Yeah. But in the pricing configurations, I didn't find such kind of setup either in EBS or in Fusion.
Like a airline ticket.
This could be a good scenario. In the pricing, we should be having the capability to capture the demand, the current demand levels, and according to the demand level, demand slab, we have to increase the base price to 5% or 10%. Let's take if we are having a demand of 10,000 quantity, then increase the base price plus 5%, and demand of 50,000 quantity which we are having, increase that to the 10% to the base price. Maybe if you have that, maybe a good.
Right.
Hey, Krishna, I might be wrong, but could pricing algorithm can be used over here? Like writing some piece of code in the algorithm. I know there is one piece in pricing.
Correct. Definitely we can do that. Yes, we can do that, but it's gonna be a kind of a big customization. Because not only writing a rule there, whatever we discussed, we can write, but you have to somewhere identify the demand, right? Demand identification.
Right.
and demand
Correct,
levels.
absolutely,
And
because
according to that, we have to take that pricing algorithm.
right. Absolutely, because in one of my project, my client was asking to my team. So I know they were discussing about algorithm something. Maybe I just thought like, bring that.
Correct.
point up.
That's correct. That is correct.
Yeah.
We can handle.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Now I will explain you all these 5 set of significance. All these 5 set of significance I will explain you. Okay. I have given some examples here. Okay, I'll cover this to you. Okay. Okay, I'll note it down for you again. With the writing, I'll explain. That would be very understanding for you. Good understand. Okay, I'll note it down at the end. We'll see how to handle this situation with our 5 configurations. We'll discuss how to handle the second situation first. Second situation is nothing but the price is, based on the customer type. Okay, in this case, first of all, you create customers in the system. We create customers in the system. Okay. What is the first setup? The first setup is customer pricing profiles. This is the first configuration. So in this first configuration, the customers that we have in the application, we need to classify them. Okay. So what I do is, let's take, I created customer called ABC and PQR and XYZ and 1, 2, 3, 4. I created 4 customers in the application. So all these 4 customers I would like to classify. So these 4 customers could be an end customer, or could be a special customer, or could be a distributor, or a company employee. Correct? So how to classify them? The first configuration. In the first configuration, so what I do is, against ABC, I'm gonna classify ABC customer as an end customer. Okay. And the PQR customer, I'm classifying as a special customer. Everyone is able to follow me?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And the XYZ, this guy, the XYZ, I'm considering this guy as a distributor. As a distributor. Now, okay, I'd like to use only 3 customers. It's okay, and I just wanted to remove this also. 3 classifications. Okay. Now, this is the first setup. Hope you understood the significance of first setup, correct? The first setup significance you understood. Classifying the customers. The first setup is. Okay. Next, I will explain you the last setup, that is price list. So price list is something which contains the price. Which contains the price. So here, how many for end customer you are selling for $100 for end customers. For special customer you are selling for $98, and for distributor you are selling for an item you are selling for $92. Item is same, but price is different from customer type to customer type, correct? Here end customer $100. But for distributor, we are selling for $92 only. Because why we are selling for less price? Because again, distributor is gonna sell to his own customers, correct? Distributor is something like Amazon. You are selling to Amazon, and Amazon is gonna sell to their customers. So Amazon needs some margin, right? They need some profit. That's why we are selling for $92 only. And for special customers, we are selling for $98. Okay, so here in this case, how many price lists we have to create? 3 price lists we have to create. End customer price list, a special customer price list, and distributor price list. So far, good.
Yes.
This is the 5th configuration. This is the price list configuration. This is price list setup. Okay. Now, how we link? We have to link, right? So all the end customers we have to link with end customer price list. All the special customers should be linked with the special customer price list. All the distributors should be linked with the distributor price list. Let's take end customer, not only ABC, even some names I'll take. Yeah, let's take 1, 2, 3 itself. ABC and 1, 2, 3. These 2 customers falls under end customer. And here 4, 5, 6. PQR and 4, 5, 6 customers are special customers. And 7, 8, 9. Okay, these 2 customers are distributors. So if you get an order from ABC and 1, 2, 3 for so and so item, the item I'm entering here, the item A, price is $100. And the same item price is $98 for special customer and $92 for distributor. Okay, I'm explaining a little slow, very slow, because I want everybody to understand this concept. Okay. Next, we have to create a pricing strategy. Pricing strategy we need to create. See here, what is our pricing strategy? Our pricing strategy is based on the customer type. Okay, so here we create 3 pricing strategies. End customer pricing strategy, and special customer pricing strategy, the strategy of our pricing, and the distributor pricing strategy. Okay, so we are going to assign the end customer price list to the end customer pricing strategy, and special customer price list to the special customer pricing strategy, distributor price list to the distributor pricing strategy. We're going to assign these price lists to these strategies. Okay. This is the fourth setup. Next, I'm coming to the second setup. Second setup. In the second setup also, we have to create, in this case, we have to create 3 pricing segments. One is end customer pricing segment, and another one is special customer pricing segment, and a distributor pricing segment. All the this is a classification, right? End customer, special customer, distributor. This is a classification, right? So this classification we assign to pricing segment. We create how many pricing segments? 3 pricing segments. So we link here. So that means here, customer ABC is classified as an end customer, and this end customer classification is classified as a end customer pricing segment. Good, so far good.
Yes.
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 Next, coming to the assignment. Here it is. Part 1, I'm linking with the part 2. That's it. Good. Now I'll tell you an example how application is going to work here. I will explain you. So you create a sales order for this customer, and this customer is classified as a end customer. For the end customer classification, which price segment is attached? End customer pricing segment is attached. For end customer pricing segment, which pricing strategy is attached? End customer pricing strategy is attached. For end customer pricing strategy, which price list is been attached? So and so price list, end customer price list. And if ABC is asked for this product, then what is the price? $100. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Suppose here I will tell you negative scenarios. One negative scenario is we have configured price for item A. We didn't configure for item B, correct? Suppose if customer ABC is ordered for a product called item B. Did we create a price for item B? No, right?
No.
We are not created price for item B.
Oh.
In that case, at the sales order level, the moment you enter the item, it won't show up the price. It won't show up the price. Okay. And one more case is you have created a customer called IJKL. You create a customer called IJKL. And you just created the customer, that's it. That's it, you've not done anything. In that case, this customer falls under which classification? This customer what is his customer pricing segment? What is his pricing strategy? This customer, you created the customer, that's it. You have to classify this customer, right? You have to put it here, or you have to put it here, or you have to put it here. That's it. All the new customers, you have to classify into that particular classification, and you leave it. That's it. So this new customer, IJKL, we selected which classification? Distributor classification. So automatically it will follow distributor pricing segment, distributor pricing strategy, and distributor price list. Okay, understood. The maintenance also, I think, hope you understood the maintenance. What is the maintenance? If any new customer is created in the application, that new customer should be classified as one of this classification. Correct?
Yes.
If you don't classify, then what will happen? I'll show you.
So
Default pricing.
No.
So Krishna, does that mean that 5 distributors will have the same price for a given item if they are classified as a distributor?
Yes, these 3 fellows, these 3 customers, or have they are getting the same price, $92. That's what,
So,
right? This is a distributor price list.
okay, thank you.
I'm navigating to sales order screen. Okay, I just entered the customer. And if I go to actions and if I click on view pricing strategy and segment, view pricing strategy and segment for this customer, what pricing segment has identified, which pricing strategy the application has identified, it will display the name of that pricing segment and name of that pricing strategy. Suppose let us assume this customer is an end customer. As per our scenario, this customer is end customer. What should be the pricing segment name here? What should be the pricing segment name here?
Yeah, group 1.
What I'm saying is, if suppose if this customer is an end customer,
End customer field.
And customer pricing strategy.
And customer price list and strategy
it should display what here? End customer pricing
segment.
Here,
And customer pricing
Customer.
strategy.
pricing strategy.
Yeah.
Suppose if this customer is a distributor pricing segment
Distribution.
and distributor pricing strategy. Is it displaying the price list here? No.